Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving my front entryway a fresh and stylish spring makeover. If you love decorating on a budget, adding high-end touches for less, and creating a warm, inviting home, then this video is for you. I'll be sharing simple yet beautiful styling ideas, including a stunning DIY tree, budget-friendly decor finds, and easy ways to layer textures for that designer look. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's decorate together. Here's what my front entryway looks like before. Pretty bare with just my console table and a new tree that I'm adding. I started by giving everything a deep clean, wiping down walls, dusting, and moving the furniture to clean behind it. Now, with a fresh slate, it's time to decorate. First, I'm starting with my new tree. This was a DIY project from my DIY channel. I originally made a pot for it, but it ended up being too small. If you watched my HomeSense shop with me and haul video, you probably saw the gorgeous new pot I picked up. It has a beautiful textured concrete look, so elegant and perfect for adding some depth to this corner. However, since the pot is quite deep, I needed to fill it up. Instead of using heavy filler, I repurposed some of the many reusable shopping bags I've accumulated. We all forget to bring them to the store, right? To cover the bags, I layered some craft paper and then topped it with floral moss from Dollar Tree. To keep the moss in place, especially with Duke's tail constantly brushing by, I gave it a quick spray with hairspray off camera. Now it looks polished and put together in this corner. I love how put together this corner looks now, and I'm still so obsessed with my new curtains. I think everything comes together beautifully. Now moving on to the wall, I'm adding my home sign. I've been thinking about switching things up here, maybe some decorative hooks or framed landscape print. Let me know in the comments what you think. But for now, I'm keeping the home sign and layering a lush boxwood wreath. I love the pop of greenery, and I'm actually planning to make a custom wreath for this space soon. If you're interested in seeing that DIY, be sure to follow my DIY channel. Now on to the console table styling. First, I'm bringing back my thrifted lamp that I made over. I love its shape and how it adds warmth to the space. Below it, I'm placing a woven basket from HomeSense, which is a staple in this entryway. Inside the basket, I'm adding a cozy textured throw blanket that I picked up at Dollarama. It has beautiful fringe detail and has been one of my favorites for a few seasons now. On the other side of the table, I'm adding my DIY vase which I styled with a delicate baby's breath from Dollarama. I had to adjust the stems a bit to get the fullness I wanted, but now they sit perfectly in the vase. Next to the vase, I'm incorporating brass tone candlesticks from Timo. I love mixing materials in my decor, and these bring in a gorgeous metallic element alongside the stone, wicker, and wood textures. To complete the look, I'm using Dollar Tree tapered candles, an amazing high-end dupe for only $1.75. To keep them straight in the holders, I melted a bit of wax at the base before securing them in place. It's not a perfect fix, but it helps them stay upright longer. In the center of the table, I'm stacking a couple of thrifted coffee table books in neutral tones. On top, I'm placing a wicker storage box from Timo, adding another layer of texture. And to finish off the look, I'm going to style the rest of the lower shelf. Opposite the basket, I'm adding geometric decorative objects from HomeSense along with my DIY bowl, filled with wooden and twig spears for an organic touch. And that's it. My spring entryway refresh is complete. I love how fresh, clean, and inviting it feels now. If you're looking for even more console table styling ideas, be sure to check out my console table decorate with me video where I share multiple styling options for different seasons. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite part of this refresh was. And that wraps up my spring entryway refresh. I love how clean, cozy, and welcoming this space feels now, and I hope it gave you some inspiration for your own home. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of this makeover, and if you have any ideas for the wall above my and if you have any ideas for the wall by my door, I'd love to hear them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget-friendly decorating ideas and seasonal home styling. You can also check out my console table decorate with me video for even more styling tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!